How to work offline with Lovable code export. In order to do that, first head over to lovable.dev and then just locating here the project that you want to work with locally. So first thing, you need to actually be connected to the internet for this part. So opening here your actual file that you want to edit. I have in here this file. So for this, you can click onto this GitHub emoji right here. Make sure that your actual website is connected to GitHub. Let's connect it by clicking onto this button. Then click onto this connect project, choosing here your GitHub organization. And once it's been connected, it should be able to show you in here the repository under my account. Let's close this right here, and you can see that we have this. We have this option to edit it in VS Code, so click on this option. And then this should be able to open and set up the web editor. So you can actually use your VS Code in order to actually edit it offline. If you have VS Code implemented or installed into your computer locally, you can also use it on that way instead of using the web editor for this part. So you can now unconnect their computer and then use in here the actual VS Code. You can find here the files. You can expand it right here and choose in here the actual extensions and make sure to allow the option to sign in using GitHub for this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.